Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set different shipping charges for different product weight in WooCommerce WordPress. Now in cart page you see product weight 20 kg. This is our another product. Now you see product weight 30 kg. So when user add this type of product in cart page, then we are going to charge additional amount. So we are going to set different shipping charges for different product weight. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see shipping flat rate $20 for all order, but we are going to add additional shipping charges when every item add in cart page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it, and then you see shipping tab, so click on it. So we are in shipping tab and then you see zone name worldwide. Now you see shipping method flat rate, we added. So we are going to create shipping classes and then we are going to assign that shipping class in product which have large weight. Now click on classes. So we are in shipping classes. Now you see first product, second product. So this is a slug and then you see product count 1. Now go to product edit. So this is our heavy product. Now you see shipping weight kg 20 and then you see we assign shipping class second product and then click on update. Go to another product and then you see shipping weight 30 kg and then we assign first product. Now you see shipping class and then click on update. So you can create shipping class and then you can assign to your product. So we are going to charge additional price for heavy product. Now go to shipping zone, so click on it. So you can assign one shipping class to multiple products, so it's up to you. Now you see zone name, so click on edit. So we are in shipping zone and then you see flat rate shipping method, so click on edit. Now you see cost $20 and then you see shipping class cost, we created first product and then you see second product, we assign both shipping class to our heavy product. For first product we are going to assign $50. If user add multiple quantity of this product, then if you want you can multiply it. Now add multiply. Now start bracket. Now add QTY for quantity. So if user add 2 product for this assigned class, then multiply by 50. Now you see second class, so we are going to add 100. Again multiply quantity QTY bracket close. So you can add condition according to requirement and then click on save. Now save done. So we assign shipping class to our heavy item or product. Now go to cart page. Now you see 20 kg, 30 kg, flat rate $20. Now refresh the page. Now you see total flat rate $170. If we remove this small plant, now you see flat rate $70 because we remove heavy product which shipping charges is $100. So you can assign multiple shipping charges according to your product weight. Now back to WooCommerce, flat rate, edit. Now you see shipping class we created. Also you see calculation type, charge shipping for each shipping class individually or per order. So you can select option according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.